Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add BEATMARK to our audio on Capcut to match cut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have added my audio to my Capcut project, and as you can see I have added some clips as well, and I'm going to add BEATMARK to this audio to match cut. First thing first, we need to click on the audio and then click on the audio again, and you have to scroll all the way to the right until you find the beat option. And here we can automatically add the audio beat to our audio by clicking on this auto generate, or you can also add the beat manually by clicking on this add beat button like this. But here I'm just going to use the auto generate, so I can add the audio beat or the beat mark automatically. I'm just going to click on the circle button, and now as you can see guys that the beat mark has been added to my audio, and we can click on this check mark, and then I'm just going to match the cut with the audio beat or the beat mark like this. You can also click on the clip and then click on split and delete the unwanted clip. Okay, we can cut it one by one. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to check it. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can add beat mark to our audio to match cut on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.